Let me guess. You wake up, check your phone, scroll for a bit, go to work or school, come back, binge Netflix or YouTube, go to sleep and repeat. If you're watching this, your life might be boring. But here's the twist. It's probably your brain's fault. And now you're wondering, why does everything feel so dull? Welcome to Hidden Truths 77. In this video, we'll explain the psychological reason behind boredom and how you can break out of it. Part 1. The real reason you're bored. You're not actually bored. You have plenty to do. There are unread messages, dishes in the sink, and that pile of laundry waiting for you. But when you look at those things, you don't feel motivated. Instead, you feel a sense of dread or maybe nothing at all. You're not alone. We all experience this. But what if I told you there's a deeper reason behind this feeling? A secret hidden in plain sight. Boredom isn't about not having anything to do. It's your brain's way of saying, this pattern, it's not stimulating anymore. The human brain thrives on novelty, reward, and challenge. It craves what's next, the unexpected twist, the level up. But when daily life becomes a predictable loop, when the dopamine system is accustomed to the same old routine, it sends out a distress signal and we feel bored. This state of mind is actually your brain's way of telling you there's a mismatch between what it needs to function well and what it's getting. It's a sign that the reward circuit, the so-called dopamine system, is experiencing what neuroscientists call a dopamine flatline. You feel numb and uninspired. A dopamine flatline happens when activities that once brought joy no longer do. That bag of Skittles, once a burst of sweet delight with each bite, now tastes the same after a few pieces. That show you once binge-watched till 3 a.m. Now it plays in the background while you scroll through your phone. Even the warmth and comfort of your bed loses its charm after a while. These examples, they all boil down to one thing: the brain's insatiable need for stimulation and reward. In today's hyper-connected world, we are surrounded by a constant barrage of entertainment options, apps designed to exploit these very cravings. They feed us a never-ending stream of dopamine hits. TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, each one is crafted to be just slightly more interesting than the last, just slightly more entertaining than the last. It's a carefully calculated strategy that keeps us hooked and coming back for more. Over time, this digital dopamine overload rewires our brains to crave instant gratification. We become less patient, less able to tolerate the natural ebb and flow of emotions that come with everyday life. Our brains, they start to expect constant entertainment and struggle to find satisfaction in the everyday. This is the boredom trap, and we're all susceptible to it. Boredom is the pain of unused potential. Part 2. The hidden danger. Now, let's talk about the dark side of this boredom epidemic. When left unchecked, boredom can lead to a host of hidden dangers. Firstly, it can manifest as compulsive scrolling. Remember those warning signs I mentioned earlier? Well, when boredom sets in and your brain's not being stimulated in a healthy way, it's easy to get sucked into a vortex of mindless scrolling. It starts innocently enough, just a quick peek at your phone. But before you know it, precious minutes or even hours have vanished. This isn't just a quirky habit or a time-killing strategy. It's your brain's maladaptive way of coping with understimulation. Secondly, boredom can drive escapism. Craving escape from the monotony of everyday life is understandable. It's human nature to seek pleasure and comfort. But when boredom pushes you towards escapism, it can become problematic. This could mean binge-watching shows, overindulging in junk food, or even falling back on toxic relationships. While these behaviors might offer temporary solace, they ultimately prevent you from addressing the root cause of the problem: your brain's unmet need for healthy stimulation. Thirdly, boredom can lead to a lack of motivation. Imagine this: you're staring at a task, any task, and it feels like an insurmountable mountain. You're aware it needs to be done, but the very idea of getting started seems overwhelming. This is the insidious effect of boredom on motivation. When your brain is in a constant state of disengagement, it seeps into other areas of your life, making even the simplest tasks seem daunting. Lastly, boredom can mimic productivity. There's a fine line between busyness and productivity. And when you're stuck in a boredom-induced haze, it's easy to mistake one for the other. You find yourself going through the motions, checking off items on your to-do list, but it's all rather meaningless. This sense of emptiness, it's not laziness. It's a sign that your brain is understimulated and desperately seeking engagement. So remember, boredom isn't just a passing feeling. It's a sign that your brain is in distress. It's a nudge, a not-so-gentle reminder that something's off balance. And if left ignored, it can lead to complications that extend far beyond feeling mildly annoyed. Part 3. How to escape the boredom trap. Now that we've uncovered the real nature of boredom and its potential pitfalls, let's discuss how to escape this pervasive trap. Firstly, seek challenge, not comfort. This might sound counterintuitive, but the key to overcoming boredom lies in seeking challenges, not comfort. Trying something difficult stimulates our minds. The struggle, the effort, the eventual triumph, it all contributes to our mental agility and sharpness. Our brains are wired to seek out novelty and reward. So instead of reaching for the same old comfort activities, why not challenge yourself with something new? Learn a challenging language, pick up a musical instrument, take on a DIY project, or commit to a fitness goal. By setting challenging goals, you stimulate your brain in a healthy way, triggering the release of dopamine and other feel-good hormones. This not only combats boredom, but also fosters personal growth and a sense of accomplishment. Secondly, create novelty on purpose. We've all been there. Stuck in a rut, feeling like life's a broken record playing the same tune over and over. To break free from this cycle, it's important to create novelty in your life. But how can you do this effectively? Start small. Change your daily routine. Walk a different route. Strike up a conversation with a stranger. Journal your thoughts, or explore a new hobby. These seemingly small actions can disrupt the monotony and introduce fresh experiences. By doing so, you challenge your brain to adapt and engage with the world around you in a more stimulating way. Don't wait for life to happen to you. Make it happen. Thirdly, control your input. We live in a world where content is king and it's readily available at our fingertips. But here's the catch. Too much passive content consumption can be a slippery slope into the boredom trap. Instead of letting content dominate your day, it's crucial to take control of your input. Schedule specific times for content consumption and stick to it. Set boundaries. Treat them as appointments that you would not cancel. This way you enjoy your favorite shows and videos without letting them consume your entire day. Fourthly, set a boredom hour. Embracing boredom can be a transformative experience. We're constantly bombarded with emails, messages, and notifications. This constant connectivity can leave us feeling drained and overwhelmed. Take a break. It might sound counterintuitive, but setting aside a specific time, perhaps an hour each day to experience boredom, can work wonders. During this hour, put away your phone, turn off background music, and step away from distractions. Sit in silence and let boredom wash over you. Sounds daunting, right? But this practice allows your brain to rest and recharge, fostering creativity and helping you reconnect with yourself. Often the most innovative ideas come to those who embrace boredom and allow their minds to wander freely. Remember, escaping the boredom trap is within your grasp. It's about making conscious choices to challenge, engage, and stimulate your brain in a healthy way. Don't let boredom get the best of you. Take charge of your life and embrace the exciting journey of self-discovery and personal growth that awaits you. And if you found this advice helpful, wait till you hear what's in store in this video. And if you're still here, your life probably isn't as boring as you thought. You're aware, and awareness is the first step to real change. Now it's up to you. Do you scroll to the next video, or do you take action? Call to action. Start now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more insightful psychology videos. Thanks for watching.